Fermentation and scientific interventions play a crucial role in altering and enhancing food flavor. Both traditional techniques and modern innovations have significantly impacted how we perceive food, allowing for the development of new flavors, preservation methods, and nutritional benefits. Here's an overview. Fermentation and its impact on flavor. What is fermentation? Fermentation is a metabolic process where microorganisms such as bacteria, yeasts, and molds convert sugars and other compounds into alcohol, acids, and gases. This process produces distinct flavors, textures, and aromas. Key types of fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation. Microorganisms like lactobacillus convert sugars into lactic acid. Examples include yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, and sourdough bread. The flavor impact: it adds tangy sour notes to foods due to the production of lactic acid, while also developing complex aromas. Alcoholic fermentation. Yeasts like Saccharomyces cerevisiae convert sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Think of examples like beer, wine, and bread. The flavor impact here is quite interesting. It produces ethanol and secondary compounds such as esters and aldehydes that contribute to fruity, floral, or spicy notes. Acetic acid fermentation. Acetobacter bacteria convert ethanol into acetic acid. Examples include vinegar and kombucha. The flavor impact? It gives a sharp, sour flavor from the production of acetic acid. Mold fermentation involves the use of molds like Penicillium or Aspergillus, which break down proteins and fats, creating distinctive flavors. For example, this process is crucial in the making of cheese, such as blue cheese, as well as in the production of soy sauce and miso. The flavor impact of mold fermentation is quite remarkable, leading to intense umami, nutty, or savory flavors with complex aromas. Fermentation's contribution to flavor is multifaceted. It generates a wide range of flavor compounds, including organic acids, alcohols, esters, and other metabolites, which add depth and complexity to foods. Fermentation also enhances the umami flavor by breaking down proteins into amino acids, particularly glutamate. Moreover, fermented foods often have preserved concentrated flavors due to the natural production of acids and alcohols, which act as preservatives. Scientists have developed several modern techniques and interventions to manipulate and enhance food flavor, using chemical, biological, and physical methods. These scientific advancements open up new possibilities for creating and refining flavors in ways that were previously unimaginable. Genetic modification and biotechnology have opened up new frontiers in flavor development. Through genetic engineering, scientists can alter the genetic makeup of crops or microorganisms to enhance flavor, prolong freshness, or even introduce new flavors. For instance, tomatoes have been genetically modified to maintain their flavor during extended storage, like the flavosava tomato. New gene editing technologies like CRISPR allow for the precise alteration of genes responsible for flavor compounds in plants and animals. A great example of this is improving fruit sweetness by manipulating sugar content and enzyme activity. Enzymatic interventions play a crucial role in flavor modification. Enzymes, which are biological catalysts, can break down or synthesize flavor compounds to alter food flavor. Enzyme-assisted fermentation enhances the breakdown of starches, fats, and proteins into flavorful byproducts. For example, enzymes are used to enhance the breakdown of milk proteins in cheese production, creating sharper flavors. Flavor biosynthesis is another fascinating area where scientists use enzymes to produce flavor compounds that don't naturally exist in foods. A notable example is the synthesis of vanilla flavor using microbial fermentation of precursors like glucose, instead of extracting it from vanilla beans. When it comes to synthetic and natural flavor compounds, scientists have developed ways to isolate or synthesize specific flavor compounds to enhance or replicate natural flavors. Natural flavor compounds are extracted from plants, fruits, or fermentation processes. For example, isoamyl acetate, which is naturally found in bananas, is used to flavor foods with banana-like notes. On the other hand, artificial flavoring involves chemically synthesized compounds that mimic natural flavors. A common example is vanillin, an artificial vanilla, which can be produced synthetically from petrochemicals or wood pulp. The Maillard reaction occurs between amino acids and reducing sugars when food is cooked at high temperatures, producing that browned color and, those rich flavors we all love. Scientists manipulate cooking processes to enhance or suppress the Maillard reaction, creating desired flavors. For example, by controlling roasting temperatures, they can create the perfect coffee or bread crust flavor. By understanding the chemistry of the Maillard reaction, food scientists can enhance flavors in processed foods, such as savory snacks and meats. Flavor manipulation through nanotechnology. Nanotechnology in food flavoring is truly fascinating. One key method is nanoencapsulation, which involves encapsulating flavor compounds in tiny particles to protect them from degradation and release them more efficiently in the mouth, enhancing flavor perception. For instance, nano-encapsulated essential oils can provide longer-lasting flavor in chewing gum or beverages. Another advantage is enhanced absorption. Nanotechnology can be used to increase the bioavailability of flavor compounds, ensuring they are absorbed more efficiently by taste receptors. Precision delivery is also remarkable. It allows for controlled release of flavors, enhancing the multisensory experience of eating certain foods. Imagine layered release of flavors in confectionery products, offering multiple stages of flavor. Hybrid fermentation techniques. Scientists are now blending traditional fermentation methods with modern biotechnology to develop novel flavors and enhance existing ones. By controlling the microbial environment and using bioengineered strains, scientists can develop precise flavor profiles in products like craft beers, fermented vegetables, and kombucha. A great example is using specially engineered yeast strains in wine production to bring out specific fruity or floral notes. High-pressure processing, or HPP. This is a non-thermal method used to preserve food by applying high pressure, which inactivates pathogens while maintaining the fresh flavor of the ingredients. HPP enhances flavor by preserving volatile aromatic compounds that are often lost in thermal processing. For example, using HPP in juices and smoothies helps retain fresh, fruity flavors while extending shelf life. Conclusion: fermentation and science as flavor architects. Both fermentation and modern scientific interventions have revolutionized food flavor development. While traditional fermentation produces complex natural flavors through microbial activity, scientific advancements like genetic modification, nanotechnology, and enzymatic control enable the precise crafting of new and enhanced flavors. The combined knowledge of chemistry and biology continues to push the boundaries of flavor creation in the food industry,